Derya keçiyor taş basıp davandı kol kıvaşıp.
The Afghan Kyrgyz were part of a great nomadic nation of warriors, cattle breeders, and exceptional storytellers. For hundreds of years, this small tribe used to travel to the pastures all over the Pamirs, one of the highest mountain ranges in the world. In the 20th century, they had to flee from the armies of the Russian Tsar, the Bolsheviks, and Maoist China, and eventually were trapped in a narrow strip of Pamir Mountains in Afghanistan. The king of Afghan Kyrgyz, Rakhmankul Khan, had tens of thousands of sheep and hundreds of horses and yaks. The Shah of Afghanistan named Rakhmankul Khan and his nationals the guardians of Pamirs.